Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, video number 12. Hope you all are fine and safe. Did you discuss what all are the activities which I have taught in the last class? I hope it is so. You practice the activities also, I think. So, just we will memorize what all are the things which we have discussed in the last class. We have created index table. After creating the index table, we need a modification. How we modified that? We didn't get the proper contents. So, full contents we didn't get in the index table. So for getting that, what we have done? We have created new styles. What is that? Subheading and main heading and paragraph also. We drag the newly created styles under the default styles. We place the main heading under the default style heading 1 and subheading under the default style heading 2. And also we make all the this font size and all everything in a proper way. So we got the index in the correct format. We got all the contents which in the index. And next what we have done? We have prepared for youth festival. For preparation of youth festival, what all things we have to keep in mind? We need 3 letters. One is an invitation letter to send to parents, and the second one is the participant card for the giving the details of all participants, and the third one is a certificate which is given to the students who have won the competitions and all. So in the last class we have discussed about the invitation letter to the parents. So for creating the invitation letter, which option is used? Which one is used? Mail merge. We all know how to do the mail merge also. We all know the steps. So after doing the using this method, we got all the list of the parents in a single file. There is no need to copy and paste each this details of each parents in the invitation card. We got all the details in a single stretch by using the mail merge option. Computer itself help us to do that. Okay, but in this section we will be discussing about to create the participant card and the certificate. So for this activity also the same mail merge option is used, and with this our chapter 2 also will be finished. So hope it is clear. So we can move to the activities. So students, in this session we will be discussing about the 2 activities. The first one is preparing the participants card, and another activity preparing certificate. So with this we will be completing the second chapter. So let's see how we can prepare the participant card for the school youth festival. For that you can see in our school folder, standard 10, open the standard 10. There you can see participants card, and you can also see participant card in our textbook also. So I am taking here participant card.odt. Click on that. So did you see, this is the participant card which is made by a student. So here we have to add the details of each participants. So for that we need the details also. So how we can get the details? It is also available in the school resource folder. So for that we have to open the school resource folder again. Here in standard 10 you can see the details, participants.ods. Click on the participant.ods. You can see the students, the list of students, their class, the participating items and all. So we have to fill this the details of the students in each participant card. So how we can do that? We all know that I will be discussing here. So for that we have to take the card. Here what I have to do is the same thing we have to do which we have done in the letter. The same thing we have to do here. We have to take the mail merge. The option mail merge is using in here. So how we can do that? From where we will get the mail merge option? From insert, go to field. In field, go to more fields, and in more fields you will get the mail merge fields. And in mail merge fields, what we have to do? We have to browse. In browse, you have to add the details of all students, details of all participants. So from where we will get? In school folder, standard 10. Here you can see the participant list, participants.ods. Click on this one and click on open. So here you can see the participant sheet is appeared. When you open the sheet, these all are the fields: register number, name, class, item 1, item 2, item 3. Here we need only the name, class, item 1, item 2 and item 3. So we have to add these 5 fields. For that, what we have to do? We have to click here, click on the position name, click here also name, insert. Same way, class, insert, item, insert item 1. Here also item 2. Here also item 3. So for moving to the next field, what we have to do is, here there is an option next record. So click on the next record, double click on the next record, the sheet is appeared here. Again go to the mail merge field, and in the sheet 1, what we have done for the first card, so the same thing itself we have to do here. Click on the position of name, insert name. In class, again click on the card, class is here. The same thing, item 1, item 1 is inserted. The field item 2, insert this again, and the item 3, the field item 3, insert it again. The same thing we have to do here. 4 cards are available, so the same thing we have to do here. So I am doing here. This is the third card. Click on the next record, double click on the next record. Here in the name, again go to the mail merge field and open the sheet 1, name, insert name. The name is appeared here. For class, again go to class, insert class, item. For getting the item inserted, the same thing. Okay, so let me finish this. Insert item 2, and third one, insert item 3. In the same way, fourth field also we have to do. Click on the next record option. Sheet 1 is here. Mail merge, again go to mail merge, and in the sheet 1 click on name. Here keep the cursor here. Again insert class, insert class, item 1, insert. I have to place the cursor here. Place the cursor here. Insert item 1, item 2. Okay, and also at last item 3. So I have inserted the 4 cards. The cards are available here. So in the 4 cards I have given the same field. Next what we have to do, this much it is finished. Next we have to print these items. So for printing, what we have to do, we have to go in file. There is an option named print. Click on the print option. They will ask a dialog box will appear like this. Do you want to print the form letter? Click on the yes. After that, click the option file, and in file I am saving it as a single document. Click on OK. So they will be asking which name we have to give. I am typing participant card. Okay, and I'm saving it in the student works. Click on save. So how much participants are there, we will get the details. So how we will get that? For that we have to take the student works folder. So here when we move the standard 10, there is a folder named student works, and here I saved participant card.odt. Click on that. Did you see the changes? First name is Amal Krishna, class 8A, light music. What all are the items which he have participated? You can see the participants name also. Amal Krishna, Abhishek, Adarsh, Ajay. Same way we got Abhishek is here, Adarsh is here, Ajay Krishna is here. How much participants are there? We got the list of whole participants. Okay, so this much is for here also we are using the mail merge option for creating the participant card. So hope it is clear to you. The next activity and the last activity is preparing the certificate. So that also we will be looking how to prepare the certificate. So for that again we have to go to this we can close this also. I'm closing the window. Okay, so again we have to go to school folder. In school folder standard 10 we need a certificate. How to prepare a certificate? For preparing the certificate, first we need a certificate, and also a certificate format is needed, and also the list of students who won the competition, that also is needed for them. So for that here is the certificate. Just a second. So this is the certificate. So here in the certificate also we need the names of the students. How we can do? Here the names are also available. How we will get the names? Here it is there are names of the students. The folder name is results.ods. Click on the results.ods. Here is the list of students who won the items. So we need the result, we need the details of the students also. So for that what we have to do? I am opening the certificate here. I am adding the fields here. How I will add the field? You have to go to insert, and in insert there is a the option field, and in field take more fields option. In you can see in database, you can see mail merge field. Browse the list. How? From the school folder, browse the list. In the school folder standard 10 you can see the file, result file. You can see result.ods. Open that. The result appears here, sheet 1, and I have to add the required fields here. So how I will add? The same thing, you all will be knowing that. Those have computers, practice that. Okay, those are not having computers, that is why I am doing this activity also. Otherwise you can do it by your own. So click on the name field. After that what we have to do? Insert the name field. Okay, click on the class, insert class, item also, click on item, insert item, grade also, click on the grade, insert grade. Okay, so okay, and we can close this. Our all fields are ready in the certificate. In this way, how much students are there, that much certificates will be available using the print option. So for that where we have to go? File, print, yes, click on yes. This is the list of the students output must be in the form of file, save as a or single document, and in student works I am saving it as results. Student works, saving. So how much students are there? 29 students won the competition, so I am saving that students list. Okay, how I am doing that? Already it is printed, so we have to see where it is saved or not, we got the result or not. So where I have saved that? In the student works folder. Student works, open the student works. Here you can see the results.odt. Click on the results.odt. Did you see the name of the students? All students name and details is shown here. Name Abhishek V, 9A, light music, grade A. Adarsh T, 8B, light musics and grade B. This is the certificate, this is the list in order, the same order we got in the certificate also. Amal, Krishna, Abhishek, Adarsh. Okay, so with this much our chapter is, this we can close. This is what we have done. If the fields are added, this is our result. See, here you can see the student's name, how much number of students are there, whole certificates, all certificates are available here. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. So with this much we are finishing the chapter. So hope it is clear. We have prepared the participants card and we have prepared the certificate also. In the last session we have prepared the invitation card also. So just we will summarize what all are the things we have discussed in the chapter. The first thing we have discussed is we have created a document attractive. How we have created by using the different styles and all. Before that we studied about the clone formatting also, but there is a drawback for clone formatting, so we use the style formatting, and we studied how to define headings and subheadings, paragraphs also using different styles and all. After that we add the index table also, and at last for youth festival we need to prepare three things. First is the invitation card for parents, second one is the participants card, and third one is certificate. So we all created that. In this all three things, the important thing which we used is the option mail merge. So by using the mail merge method we have completed all the activity. Okay, so this is the thing we have done. For participants card, for moving to the next record, we have to click on the option next record in the database window. To get the output, which option is used? Select the option print from the file menu. Okay, if you want to create a sample card, we can use the option frame in writer, but we are not using it here. Okay, if you want to prepare a sample card, you can use the option, but I am not discussing it here because it is not inevitable. So with this much we are finishing the chapter. So hope it is clear. Hope the chapter is clear. Whole chapter contents are clear to you. Those who have computers, practice the activity. Okay, without any fail, practice the activity. Prepare a slide. Prepare a document. Apply all methods which we have studied in the document to make it attractive, and also prepare the use the mail merge option for preparing this invitation card, certificate, and participant card. Okay, we can you can utilize the school resources. Others, note down the steps. Okay, so see you in the next class. Be safe. Thank you.